Namaste to all of you. Ananta Koti Pranam to all the elders who are present there. My great respects to all the founders of Hema Foundation. What I am going to talk to you, a rough idea you must be having that I am going to talk to you about integrating values with subjects. So now, before I actually get into the crux of it, I have to say a few words what I read about Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda says, what you are today is because of what you valued yesterday. Listen carefully. What you are today is because of what you valued yesterday. What you will be tomorrow will be the result of what you valued today. What you will be tomorrow will be the result of what you value today. There cannot be any other better expression than Swami Vivekananda as far as the priorities of life is concerned. So, let us assume the pandemic has brought in a lot of learning to all of us, right? Quickly, I'll take you through for a moment. Till March 2020, all the business houses, the priority was to make profit, to make money. All the educational institutions, the priority was 100% results, teaching of subjects, getting 99% distinctions, 100% and becoming topper in the board examination and helping the children to get into good educational institutes, colleges, getting a great job. These were our priorities. But now we are on 29th July. Are they the same priorities? Did your 100% result contribute anything to us now? It doesn't look so. You are all shut at home. You are totally incapacitated. You have to wear a mask. Why do you wear a mask? Because you should not fall sick. You also should not pass on the disease to somebody else. What is that? Concern for others. You are keeping a social distancing. Why? Because you should not fall sick. You should not pass on the disease to somebody else. What is that? Concern for others. You are sanitizing your hands. Swachhata. Cleanliness. You take care because you should not fall sick. The others also should not fall sick because of you. So suddenly some kind of a behavioral change has happened into all of us. Probably our priorities for today would be decided properly, and tomorrow you're all going to lead the world. The students are going to lead the world. The institutions are going to pave the way for that. And so Hema Foundation is striking the iron when it is hot. This is the right time wherein through Hem Virtues, Hema Foundation is helping the educational institutes, the parents, the teachers to set their priorities properly. Hema Foundation, if I understand it very correctly, had been doing yeoman service for the last 5 or 6 years with great educationists and philanthropists. And they have produced a lot of literature, text, activities, games, puzzles, and wonderful movies. And this is all with an intention of bringing in values to the educational scenario and create beautiful human beings out of an individual. That was the very purpose of Hema Foundation, and so they are setting the priorities today. So Swami Vivekananda's statement is coming true today. Now, I am extrapolating that energy concept a little bit. That was my experience, and even today I remember that experience. And when I extrapolated, a little bit of a philosophy I had learned. So something came to my thought. I looked at nature. Nature has all subjects. Nature has physics, chemistry, biology, zoology. You have mathematics, you have language, everything in this universe. Nature is such a pretty entity to be studied. Teach subjects, teach values, touch lives. Namaste and thank you.
I am very much enamored and I felt very happy to learn so many things from Dr. Ravi Vijayam. I have never learned so many things. Today I learned because it is something very great. Very great, madam. Hearty congratulations to you. I wish I had a teacher like you in my life, but I never had. Instances of value education in today's life has been the matter of great importance to us. IDF will always support Emma Foundation and all the most support. We all must support Emma Foundation for all the wonderful things they are doing. Great. I wish you all good luck and thank you.